Hello there. This is me from Ignosis, and today I've got a comprehensive HoneyGain review for you. We'll delve into how this app works and how much you can potentially earn. This way, you can decide if it's worth your time or not. Before we jump in, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way, you won't miss any of my helpful tips and tricks on making some extra cash online. So, what's HoneyGain all about? Can you make some extra cash just by downloading an app, as they claim on their front page? Let's find out. First things first, who can join HoneyGain? The great news is, it's available for users all around the world, no matter where you're located. Plus, you can potentially earn no matter which country you're in. HoneyGain is an app you need to install to start earning. You can also log in on your desktop without installing the app, but you won't earn that way. You can keep an eye on your earnings, but to make money, you'll need to install the app. It's available for Windows and Android devices. However, be aware that as of now, you won't find it on the Google Play Store. You'll need to download it directly from their website. Now let's get into how HoneyGain works. It's quite different from many other Get Paid To apps because you don't need to actively do much. Once you've installed the app on your device, and you can install it on multiple devices, you'll start earning as long as those devices are online. It's as simple as that. You're essentially sharing your unused internet, and HoneyGain uses this web intelligence and content delivery. So, you're sharing your unused bandwidth, and in return, you get paid. Now here comes the golden question. How much can you earn? It might sound like easy money, but it's important to set realistic expectations. HoneyGain is quite transparent about potential earnings, which is a big plus. They show you how much you can earn per month based on the amount of data you share each day. You can adjust this and see your potential earnings. For example, if you can share 20 GB of data per day, you could potentially earn up to $60 per month. However, remember, this is per day, and it does require quite a bit of internet sharing, so it's not as easy as it may seem. And the amount you can earn depends on your internet connection and how many devices you can install it on. If you have just one device with a slow or limited connection, it might not be worth it. On the other hand, if you have a fast, unlimited connection and can share a lot of data, it can be a passive way to earn some extra cash. Now, if you're considering giving HoneyGain a try, there's a way to kickstart your earnings with a $5 joining bonus. HoneyGain has a referral program, which means you can invite others to join, and you'll earn a commission from HoneyGain based on their earnings. To get the $5 joining bonus immediately, all you need to do is join through an invitation link from an existing member like me. I've got such an invitation link, so if you decide to give it a go, you can join through that link and grab your $5 bonus. I'll leave a link to my website below this video where you can find that invitation link. In summary, HoneyGain is an intriguing way to make a little extra money online. However, it's essential to enter with realistic expectations. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and your earnings will depend on your internet connection and data sharing capacity. But it's a simple way to earn a bit extra, and the $5 joining bonus is a nice incentive. For more information and to join with the bonus, check out the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my tips and tricks on making money online. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay savvy.